Hey there, welcome to today's topic on the role of stress in weight loss plateaus and how to manage it. Are you someone who's been trying to lose weight but just can't seem to get past a certain point? Do you find that stress is a constant factor in your life? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll be discussing how stress can impact weight loss efforts, and more importantly, how you can manage it effectively to achieve your goals. Part 1. The role of stress in weight loss plateaus. Before we dive into stress management techniques, let's first understand what stress is and how it can affect weight loss efforts. Stress is a natural response to challenging situations, but when it becomes chronic, it can have negative effects on our bodies. Chronic stress can cause the release of the hormone cortisol, which can increase appetite and cause our bodies to store more fat. Additionally, cortisol can interfere with insulin function, which can lead to higher blood sugar levels and an increased risk of weight gain. In addition, chronic stress can interfere with sleep, digestion, and other bodily functions that are important for weight loss. It's important to note that not all stress is bad for weight loss. Acute stress, such as the kind you might experience during a workout, can actually help your body burn more calories and lose weight. However, chronic stress is the kind that can have negative effects on weight loss efforts. If you're experiencing chronic stress, it's important to identify the sources of that stress and take steps to manage it effectively. Part 2. Managing stress for weight loss success. Now that we understand the role of stress in weight loss plateaus, let's discuss some effective ways to manage it. First, mind-body techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. These techniques have been shown to lower cortisol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve mood. Exercise is another great way to manage stress, as it releases endorphins that can improve mood and energy levels. Exercise has also been shown to reduce cortisol levels and improve insulin function, which can lead to better weight loss outcomes. In addition, getting enough sleep is crucial for both stress management and weight loss, as it allows our bodies to rest and recover. Lack of sleep has been linked to higher cortisol levels, increased appetite, and a slower metabolism. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. Finally, nutrition plays a key role in managing stress, as a healthy, balanced diet can help regulate hormones and improve overall health. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help reduce inflammation and support weight loss efforts. So there you have it, the role of stress in weight loss plateaus and how to manage it effectively. By incorporating these stress management techniques into your daily routine, you can not only improve your overall well-being but also achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, managing stress is an important part of any weight loss journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.